Hello. A change we've made for all our Steakmate barbecues for 2023 is that we have increased the height of these barbecues. So the original Steakmate barbecues were 30 inches tall, and these do work fine. There's no problem with them, but by popular demand, we decided to increase the height of all our Steakmate barbecues to 36 inches. Other than the height difference, the barbecues are identical. They cook the exact same, but this seems to be a better height for cooking your steaks on. Thank you. If you like this video, please like and subscribe down below. Thank you.